like maths? It's my question today to my viewers. I hope you all are not that much interested. Some of them is not interested in mathematics well. Some of them is very much interested in mathematics. So for making mathematics interesting, sometimes we have to turn from our studies, we have to turn to some activities, some maths activities. It will be very beneficial for you to make your logical skills and ideas. So today I am going to do such an activity, that is, as we know, tangram activity. Maybe a few of you all already learned about tangrams. You already know what is tangram. So today I am introducing this activity. Just with a piece of paper, we can make this activity. So you can use color papers also. Either use color papers or white paper. It should be a square paper. With a square paper like this, we can make a tangram activity. So just ready for little bit fun using maths. It will be very beneficial for you in your schools and all. So what is tangram? That you should learn before starting. Tangram is such a decision puzzle. It's really a puzzle. It is a square piece of paper. We are cutting that paper into 7 pieces. Pieces means shapes, mathematical shapes. It includes triangle, right triangles, median triangle, small triangles. Triangles is the, square is the, and parallelogram is the. So we can do this activity using the paper by cutting the paper. Before cutting, we are drawing lines. Some lines we are drawing and cutting that 7 shapes. Means 2 large triangles and 2 small triangles, 1 median triangle, 1 square. Like that 7 shapes is coming. So hope you all are well interested about this. Before starting, get ready with a piece of paper. Like this, you can take a piece of paper. Please note down, your paper should be square. Here I took a 15 centimeter, all side lies 15 centimeter, such a paper. Using this paper, we can take this. So get ready with a piece of paper, pencil, scissors, scale. Now let's start our activity, tangram activity, and make some puzzle and make some fun. So take your paper, then take a scale. Try to take a long scale. Then connect that 2 points, 2 end points. Keep your paper like this, and that 2 points, we are just drawing a line using that points first. Just cross the paper, draw a line. Just cross the paper, draw a line. That we need first. The first step. And now your paper become 2 pieces, 2 triangles. Any side you can take, any side, just draw from the top to here. Just same like the picture, you can draw a line. See, both the ends should be, check your both the ends. All the end points should be neatly taken. So take down like that. So draw this much only enough. This much is enough. This portion is not needed. Only this much is enough. See here, one side you can see it is 15 centimeter. All the sides I took 15 centimeter. Should not be 15 centimeter. All the side almost 15 centimeter you can take. Then only it will be a square. See, then should not be 15 centimeter. You can take either 15, 20 like that, whatever. Should be square. That's the condition. And we are drawing a line and make 2 large triangles. Now we got 2 large triangles. What you need next? Next we need a median triangle. So if it is 15 one side, so from here you can take either a light 7 centimeter. See, from here to here 7 centimeter. and this side also 7 centimeter. Like that we are drawing a line. So I already folded this side with a 7 centimeter and I am going to draw one line here. Now we got 2 large triangle, 1 medium triangle. So 3 pieces we got. Next we need one parallelogram, 1 square and 2 small triangles. That all the portions we are taking from this middle section. So what we are doing is that we are just drawing from here to, connecting from here to this till this line. So join again. See, the end point should be clear. Draw a line here. Now this much is completed. Now you here, if you are drawing a line like this, you will get a square. This piece is your square. So join that and make it as a square. See, everything should be, if feeling any difficulty, you can use set squares and all. Otherwise you can use scale. Scale is enough. If needed, you can use set squares. Now 2 large triangles, 1 medium triangle, 1 square, 1 right triangle, that is small one. And from this piece we need a right triangle, a parallelogram. So first let's draw parallelogram. So measure this side 5 centimeter. From here to here, it is here to here 5 centimeter. So that 5 centimeter we are taking here, 5 centimeter. From here to this one, mark the point 5 centimeter and join with here. This I am going to do. Now you got a parallelogram here and a small right triangle here. So what we did, first took a square paper and the first step I did is I drawn this line. Then I drawn this line. Take care about the end points also. Now I got the large 2 triangles. Then after what I did is I just make here if it is 15 centimeter, almost half, 7 centimeter. These 2 sides is 7 centimeter. I take that both the sides and I drawn here this much portion. That is our median triangle. Then using this middle portion we need 4 shapes. 1 parallelogram, 1 right triangle, again 1 right triangle, 1 square. So square is the one we did first and 3 sides is already there. 4th side only we drawn. Now we got square and 1 small right triangle. And the same right triangle is here and here also. Here parallelogram first. So check parallelogram's feature. We know what is parallelogram. Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So if this side is 5 centimeter, here also 5 centimeter. If here is 7, here is also 7. Like that it is coming. So here check, it's 5 centimeter from here to here. So here also let's see 5 centimeter here to here. And also these sides is also, when you check it will be correct. So that is parallelogram. So we should know what is parallelogram, then only we can continue, because opposite sides are equal. It's right triangle, square also all the sides are equal. So your picture should be same like this. You can use color papers, or you can, after this you can give color to each and every shape. You can using colors, using crayons or any sketch pens, anything you can use colors. Now this is our tangram, means 7 shapes. This is the first one, second one, third, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is a tangram? A tangram is a dissection puzzle. Dissection means cutting into 7 shapes, 7 mathematical shapes. Using these shapes we can make so many shapes. It is proved that more than 100 shapes you can make using tangram. So that we are going to do next.